Adding member to LLC in Texas. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add member to LLC in Texas. The process is very simple. You just have to follow my steps till the end. So let's get started. First, review your operating agreement. Check if it explains how to admit a new member. Usually, you will need a vote written approval from current members. If there is no agreement, get written consent from all members and consider creating or updating an operating agreement. Then amend the operating agreement to include the new member's name, ownership, percentage, capital contribution, and role. Have all members sign it, and then if your LLC changes from single member to multi-member, you might need to notify the IRS, get a new EIN, or update your tax status. Texas does not require filing with the Secretary of State unless the new member becomes a managing member. In that case, file Form 424 Certificate of Amendment. To file Form 424, go to Source Direct or download the form. Enter your LLC's legal name and file number. In the amendment section, write something like the LLC has added your member's full name as a member effective date. Sign the form and pay the $150 fee. Finally, update your internal records, membership ledger, meeting minutes, and bank access to reflect the new member. And that's all. That's how you will be able to add member to LLC in Texas.